today is a perfect day to cozy up with some coconut rice pudding. It's not too sweet, it's not too cold, it's not too warm. It's a perfect temperature to cozy up and enjoy the rest of this day. So let's get started. I have added 2 cups of coconut milk. I added 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a dash of allspice. I'm going to sweeten this up with some coconut syrup. Also added a teaspoon of vanilla. Whatever you want to sweeten yours with, add a little bit at a time to make sure you don't add too much because you can't take it back. Okay, I'm using 1 cup of rice and a teaspoon of vegan butter. Yes, I cooked this rice beforehand. I wanted to make sure that this dish will be quick and easy, and it was. Guys, this rice pudding was delicious, and it's just what I needed for a rainy day. So guys, this is it. It's time to make my little dish, and I'm going to eat. So guys, have a wonderful Sunday, and I'll see you next time in my kitchen. Bye, guys.